Hey guys, so in this episode I'm going to try and finish the front end reassembly of my MK4 TDI Wagon. It's been a long time coming, so I'm excited to finally get it wrapped up and get this thing on the road. I guess there's a little bit of foreshadowing. It's already done, and I have been driving it, and it's been driving amazing. But I guess I slacked on making a video entry back then. So, hope you like this episode.
Once the strut is removed from the knuckle, the reassembly is quite easy. Just pay close attention of how you take it apart and reassemble it in the correct order. I like to leave my parts in a line for how I took them apart, so there's no question when I'm putting it back together. These drill wire wheels are a lifesaver for cleaning up old rusty parts. Putting the strut back in the knuckle is quite a difficult task. You're going to need some tool to spread the strut, and then a hammer that's going to get you a lot of respect, and then just time and patience to get it back together. Having a friend to hold the CV axle while you get the first two bolts started is quite helpful. Trying to line up and install a control arm is quite a tedious, frustrating task, so having beer flown into you is a must. It is helpful to leave all the bolts finger tight until everything is in place. For torquing the axle nut is quite involved, so make sure you study up before going full send on your new axle nut and wheel bearing. Note that I did not show the whole process in this video. Here's a before and after showing the change in ride height. The H&R OE replacement springs did their job, lowering the front by about 1 inch and the rear by about ½ an inch.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. So my Mark IV wagon is finally done. and it's driving absolutely amazing. I actually plan to probably make a driving video soon. I just still have a little bit more work that I want to do. Some sway bar bushings and sway bar inlays that are pretty worn. I want to get those changed out too, as well as probably put a new dog bone mount in it just because, so that everything's starting fresh. But then it'll be pretty much done mechanically before I move on to the inside. But yeah, I want to make a video of my driving impressions of the car once I get all that stuff done. But I hope you guys have been liking this series. I'm really excited to be restoring this wagon. I absolutely love driving it every day. I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.